Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing this drone S150 I ordered um, on Facebook. Yes, this is not a Temu order. I saw this on Facebook, so I placed an order and it was delivered, I think, 2 days after. Yeah, 2 days after I delivered. That was very, very fast enough. And it's I think I ordered this for 130K. Well, let's see. Let's figure out if it's really worth it. First, I'm going to show what we have in the bag. Okay, it comes in with this charger. This is a charger for the drone, and this is the manual. I'm going to go through this later to see and get myself familiar with the drone. This is the English part and it comes in the Chinese part. So if you can read Chinese, you know how to read Chinese, please, or you can interpret this. You can as well do that on your own. There it comes with a few extra blades with a screwdriver. You have a screwdriver with this. So probably if you are flying a drone, you have to learn to become an engineer. Yeah, probably replacing any of the plates that got broken or damaged. So that's that. Then also it comes with extra battery. You see, the battery has a charging port on its own. I feel okay. The charger, that's the old port, that's the usual um, charging port, like the usual Android charger port. So that is that. I mean, the old BlackBerry port. So you plug it in here. So which means you can plug this directly to your extension if you have a USB or probably your laptop. You can power this or probably your power bank. Yeah, you can also charge this with your power bank, or you use a charger head, plug it to a charger head to power the battery. So and then it comes with this controller. You have this controller, and I think this is where you hang your phone, so that to serve as your monitor while you fly the drone. Then it comes with this um, propeller. Remember this one we play uh, soccer, and that's PS pad. So if you are more familiar with the PS pad, I think you should be familiar with this. Um, It has a bunch of buttons on it, which I don't know yet. I can see this arrow up and arrow down. Probably that will be a takeoff and landing. Then this 1, 2, 3 should be like probably the gear or speed. I don't know yet. Then I don't know what this button does. This particular button, I don't know what it does. This should be like probably the 360. I can see the arrow in the circle with it, so that should be like the 360 spinning. This is the power button for the controller. This up and down. I guess it should be the camera control. I don't know, or probably up, fly up and down. But I feel it should be on this trigger. If it's fly up and down, it should be on this trigger. But this should be probably, I don't know. We'll figure this out later. And then it has another button. I think this is a switch from video mode to camera mode. So you can take still pictures and you can also record your uh, moving pictures, that's videos. Then this I don't know what it means, but I believe this should be probably obstacle resistance. I don't know yet. I will figure it out later. That is that. Then the controller also uses battery. That's a triple A batteries. You know, probably your Tiger battery or Alkaline or all those big three batteries. Yeah, that's what this does. So you can use it with the screwdriver. Okay, say use with screwdriver, then you can start your battery and then fix that. I think I've already done that for this to avoid repetition, so you can try that. Then it has a power button, you can power it on. Then this is the baby itself. I don't know if it should be a baby or probably we'll still have to look out for something else. But let us figure it out later. While we're trying, while we try to um, test the drone. So this is the battery. This is the second battery that came with it. So you slot in the battery. See, easy to fix. Just slot in the battery into this side. Then it has a power button. I believe this is sensor here because it has like light all over it. So I believe that should be the sensor. This is one camera. I don't know. I think this is another camera underneath. So I don't know how that works yet. Okay, let's pull out the blades.